gonna check Louie.
Hello guys!
Hi guys!
Magmumukbang si Mami ng isang slice lang naman na cake. Yung leftover ng Happy Father's Day
But
last
I don't,
night.
but I don't want.
Diba,
But
Feliz?
hi guys, but I don't want
Happy
the.
Father's Day ng Papa ni Feliz.
But I don't want the cake, the flavor of the
And
cake.
then
That's
I
why
have
I
this
don't wanna eat it.
coffee.
Where's your salad?
Later naman yung salad So, okay guys.
Hi guys,
Para
this
sa
is
inyong lahat, itong
Louie.
unang subo ko. Louie also here. You want cake, Louie? You want to
Yeah,
take
you
coffee
like.
also?
But it's
So,
so
okay guys,
sweet.
para sa inyong lahat to. Let's eat.
Yummy?
Yummy.
I hate ice cream.
Mm.
I just like chocolate
Ganda
cake more.
coffee.
Are you gonna eat cake coffee? Cake coffee?
Wow. Yummy. Yummy with
This is
coffee.
Louis Vuitton.
This is Louis Vuitton
You want to check
with
her
her
clothes?
new dress.
Yeah, it's a dress. Look,
And
look,
then
look at this is cinnamon.
This is our baby.
Yes,
Our
baby
baby,
Louis.
Louis. She's not a baby pala.
Hey,
She's a lady na.
no, baby lady. But she's still acting like a baby, though.
Yeah. Louis. Want to join mommy? You want cake also?
Yeah, yeah. You remember we mukbang?
No, because you have your chicken na, di ba?
You remember Louis eat the soup, seafood creamy? Do you
Hey,
remember
guys.
that?
Mm.
Do you remember did Louis eat seafood
Para sa
creamy?
inyong lahat ito, nanonood sa akin.
And your friends?
Yeah. You want
Ay.
some, Louis?
Yeah, she likes.
I don't think so, or else she will suka it.
Oh yeah, cause it's not wedding cake for her. You want to eat chocolate? No, no, no. This is Louis Vuitton. This is Louis Vuitton. Do the veggie dance. Look at Louis how she dance.
Wow, Louie, Louie. Ang sarap ng cake at coffee.
This is the
My
eyes of the
favorite.
shadow. Go
Ube.
say your hallelujah. Go say your hallelujah. Go say your hallelujah. What's the meaning of hallelujah?
Huh? Ano yun? Kanta, that's a music. That's a song.
Louis is
A
sleepy.
worship song.
Louis is sleepy already.
She likes her clothes.
Guys,
Her
Louis
dress.
is sleeping already. Are you sleepy?
Yeah, she's sleeping na, oh. She closed her eyes.
Baby, it's okay. Shh, don't touch her. So she can sleep na. Diba? I'm just
Well,
gonna baby
guys,
love you.
naubos ko na itong cake.
Another one.
Later naman,
Okay. Now can I get now my piggy bank?
I still have another one, guys. Oh.
Yeah. Come on, let's eat it already.
Mamaya naman,
How many minutes?
Hiya, guys. Sarap mag-coffee.
You should finish then your coffee.
Louie, you want coffee also?
No! That's chocolate still. Girl said your
Thank you for
hallelujah.
watching, guys.
Girl said, bye-bye.
Oh, say bye-bye also, to my vlog. Say bye-bye to my vlog, Louie and Feliz. Louie and Feliz
Bye-bye.
here. Bye-bye.